Today, gusto ko lang i-share yung aking research about sa LTO portal o LTMS, Land Transportation Management System. Isa to sa mga project na nagpapakita kung paano kayang baguhin ng ICT ang public service. Basically, ang LTO portal ay isang online platform kung saan pwede mong gawin ang maraming LTO transaction without going to a physical office. Ang main purpose niya is to make licensing and vehicle registration more convenient at syempre para mabawasan yung mahabang pila na madalas nating na-experience. Some of its features include online driver's license application and renewals, access to exam results, digital vehicle registration, online payments, at pati full history ng violation and transaction mo. Lahat yan naka-store sa personal LTO portal account mo. Ang pinaka na-appreciate ko sa portal na to ay yung kung paano niya na-improve ang public service in real practical ways. Una, accessibility. Anytime mo siyang magagamit anywhere sa phone or laptop mo. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-absent sa work just to renew your license. Next is efficiency. Mas mabilis ang process kasi automated na yung maraming steps na dating manual pa. Less paperwork at mas konti ang errors. And of course, transparency. Makikita mo agad yung records mo like violations, payments, status without waiting for someone to check. This helps reduce pictures at nakakatulong sa trust between citizens and governments. From a public administration point of view, malaking hakbang talaga ang LTO portal dahil nakacentralize ang license at vehicle data, mas madaling mag-share ng information across offices, which prevents duplication and confusion. Nakakatulong din ito sa decision making like pag-analyze ng violation trends or compliance. This leads to better policies and mas effective na law enforcement. Overall, it supports good governance. Ipinapakita nito na kaya ng digital system gawing mas organized, accountable at responsive ang government. So bilang isang tao na naka-experience ng lumang sistema, masasabi ko na ang LTO portal is a huge improvement. It's a great example of how ICT can make public service more modern, efficiency, and citizens friendly. Sana mas maraming pang government agency ang sumunod sa ganitong digital transformation.